Hello everyone, this is Sri Gautami from AAA section. This is my CA2 assignment of electromagnetic field theory. Topic name. Provide examples of practical applications where Faraday's first law is used, such as in transformers or electric generators. Introduction to Faraday's first law. Faraday's first law of electromagnetic induction states that a change in magnetic environment of a coil of wire will induce an electromotive force EMF in the coil. This principle's foundation is understanding how electrical energy can be generated and transformed. It has practical applications in various devices including transformers, electric generators and conductors. Here you can see Faraday's first law image source. There are 5 parts: magnet, current and ammeter, coil, lines of forces. Formula E equals to minus n d phi by dt. Understanding transformers. Transformers are devices that transfer electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. They operate based on Faraday's first law, where a varying magnetic field induces an EMF in the secondary coil. This allows for voltage conversion, enables sufficient power transmission over long distances. Setup transformer. Setup transformer increase the voltage from the primary to the secondary coil. They are used in power plants to transmit electricity at high voltages, which reduces energy loss in transmission lines. By using Faraday's first law, these transformers ensure that sufficient voltage is maintained for efficient power distribution. Step-down transformers. Step-down transformers decrease voltage levels while increasing current. These are commonly found in residential areas to convert high voltage electricity from power lines to usable levels. The transformers process adheres to Faraday's first law, ensuring safety and functionality in every electrical appliances. Electrical generators. Electric generators convert mechanical energy into electrical energy using Faraday's first law. As a conductor moves through a magnetic field, an EMF is induced, generating electricity. This principle is crucial in various forms of energy generation, including wind, hydro, and fossil fuels. Electric motors. Electric motors convert electrical energy into mechanical energy by utilizing Faraday's first law. When current flows through a coil in magnetic field, it creates a torque that spins the motor. This application is widely used in various devices from household appliances to industrial machines. Here is the diagram of electrical motors. There are battery, brushes, commutator, copper wire loop, direction of magnetic field and permanent magnet. Wireless charging devices. How wireless charging devices works? Wireless charging technology uses electromagnetic induction to transfer energy from a charging base to a device. The charging and pad creates a magnetic field that induces an EMF in the receiver coil within the device. This application highlights the versatility of Faraday's first law in modern technology. Magnetic levitation, maglev trains. These are the metro trains. Maglev trains usually use electromagnetic induction for both propulsion and levitation, demonstrating Faraday's first law on a larger scale. The trains are lifted above the tracks by magnetic fields, reducing friction and allowing for high speed travel. This technology is a clear example of practical applications of Faraday's first law in modern transportation. Induction coke tubes. Induction coke tops utilize Faraday's first law to heat cokeware directly through electromagnetic induction. A coil beneath the cooked tube generates a magnetic field that induces current in ferromagnetic pots, producing heat. This method offers rapid and efficient cooking while minimizing energy waste. Thank you. This is C. Gautami from AAA section. This is my assignment of electromagnetic induction.